In this video, you'll learn how to connect Binance Smart Chain to MetaMask. This process will enable you to interact with decentralized applications on the Binance Smart Chain directly from your MetaMask wallet. Begin by opening your MetaMask extension or application. Once it is open, locate the network drop-down menu. At the top of the interface, this menu typically displays the currently selected network, such as Ethereum mainnet. Click on this drop-down to reveal a list of available networks. Next, from the drop-down options, select the either Add Network or Add Custom Network. This action will take you to the network settings interface where you can configure the details necessary for Binance Smart Chain. Choose the manual setup option to proceed with entering the required information. After that, you will need to enter the Binance Smart Chain mainnet details. This includes the RPC URL, chain ID symbol, and block explorer URL. Ensure that you enter each piece of information accurately. It is important to double check every field to avoid any errors that may prevent the network from connecting properly. Once all the information has been entered, click the Save button. At this point, MetaMask will automatically switch to the Binance Smart Chain network. You should confirm that the network name displayed at the top of the MetaMask interface indicates that you are now connected to the BNB Smart Chain. If you encounter any issues during this process, consider checking your internet connection, as a stable connection is necessary for network updates. Additionally, ensure that your MetaMask is updated to the latest version to avoid compatibility problems. Once you have confirmed these details, you are now ready to interact with Binance Smart Chain applications. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.